In this video, we are going to learn how to solve problems involving definite integration or definite integrals. And after going through this video, you understand the basis of definite integration, how to solve problems on it as we look at a couple of examples on definite integration. So stay with me to the very end of this video because we're going to learn a lot. So having known that, let's go into the details of the video. Let's begin with this example. We are given this definite integral function. The upper limit is 3, the lower limit is 1, x to the power 4 dx. So how do you solve this problem? Solution. So the first thing you have to do is first of all find the indefinite integral of x to the power 4. When you do, you're going to have x to the power 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1. So whatever you do here, you bring it down as a denominator. So when you simplify this, then we're going to have x to the power 5 over 5. Okay, so once you have done this, you then plug in this upper limit and lower limit in this value of x respectively. That means you have to subtract the lower limits from the upper limits. So this is what it means. So we begin with 3. When you plug in 3 in this s, you then have 3 to the power 5 over 5. Okay, minus plugging 1 in the s, you then have 1 to the power 5 over 5. So when you simplify this, 3 to the power 5 gives us 2, 4, 3 over 5. Okay, minus 1 to the power 5 gives us 1 over 5. So you do the basic math, you then have 5, okay, 2, 4, 3 minus 1. So we have 2, 4, 2 over 5. Okay, so let me punch this with my calculator. Okay, so you're going to have 48.4. This will be your final answer. Okay, so let's solve one more example on definite integral. We are given this definite integral of pi as the upper limit and 0 at the lower limit, and we have in bracket x, okay, square plus 2x, okay, minus sine x, bracket close dx. So the first thing you have to do is to find indefinite integral of these values. So when you look for it, you're going to, when you integrate x squared, you're going to have x to the power 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1, okay, plus 2x, the power of x here is 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1. Okay, when you integrate minus sine x, you're going to have plus cos x. So once you have done this, these upper limits and this lower limits, you put them. Okay, before you do that, let's simplify this the more. When you simplify the more, you're going to have x to the power 3 over 3 plus 2x to the power 2 over 2, okay, plus cos x. So you then plug in the pi and 0 in these values of x respectively. So when you do it, you are going to have, that means subtract the lower limit 0 from the upper limit pi. So let's begin with, so it will go like this, like we did the first example. So we're going to have pi to the power 3 and plug in pi in that x over 3, okay, plus we have 2 pi to the power 2 over 2 plus cos, when you plug in pi in that element, and you're going to have cos pi, okay, minus, so we're going to have 0 to the power 3 over 3, when you plug in 0 in that x, plus 2, 0 to the power 2, okay, over 2, then we have plus cos 0. Then put this in brackets. Okay, so once you have done this, you simplify the more. So when you simplify this the more, you're going to have pi to the power 3 over 3 plus pi square, because these two will cancel these two here. Okay, we have plus cos pi minus 0 plus 0, okay, plus cos 0. So everything here will give you 0 when you do the math. Okay, so let me clean this up and complete this problem. So we're going to have pi to the power 3 over 3, okay, plus pi square. Okay, when you punch cos pi with my calculator here, so okay, cos pi give us -1. Okay, what of cos 0 minus, because of this minus here, so cos 0 give me 1. Okay, when you simplify this, you're going to have pi to the power 3 over 3, okay, plus pi square minus 1 minus 1 give minus 2. So let me punch this with my calculator and get the final answer. Okay, so when you punch it, you're going to have 18.20 as a final answer. So guys, this is basically how you can solve problems involving definite integration, definite integral. And with this, we're coming to the end of the class. I hope you learned something interesting.